G'day everyone. Well, today is Family Day. It doesn't happen very often. Obviously taking kids to sport, to school recreation, or something's always happening on the weekend. So I actually don't get the family out to ride that often during the year. But when I do, boy, do I appreciate it. All the kids have got Kawasaki's, of course. I'm on the 450, Cam's on the 250, and Tars is on the little KLX 110. Why is Family Day so special for me? Well, you all know I'm very passionate about dirt bikes, and it's great to see that the kids are passionate as well. Now, Tara's not so passionate, but she does still enjoy going riding with us, and today's a big day because it's the first time she's come camping with us. We were lucky enough to be invited to a friend's property that's quite large. It has a motocross, a supercross, and an enduro loop, and plenty of open area for the kids to ride around in. We're up here for 2 days on a weekend, so we're going to camp tonight and then ride tomorrow as well. But this is the first time Tara's ever been on an enduro loop or such an open property, and she's really enjoying it, and she's killing it at the moment. She hasn't done a lot of dirt bike riding, but she seems to really like the open space and out between the trees and riding around in the woods. She actually saw a kangaroo and was all excited about it. I think this is a great family sport. I've always loved this sport, and it's the reason I've made the TV show. It brings us all together. We have a great time. We talk about it over dinner, and we also do a bit of bench racing, Cameron and I.
When we got here, we unpacked the car straight away, and Cameron taught me how to use my gears on my bike, and then we straight away went out riding.
And then we went out onto the enduro loop out there. We were just following around, and then Dad got onto his bike, went onto the motocross track a little bit. I rode the motocross track a lot, had heaps of fun obviously. And we also went down to the river, which was fun. We found an enduro loop there. You know, it's pretty fun when you find a track, because I really enjoy free riding. I think it's pretty cool. As a family, Tara, Dad and I, we don't get to do it that very often, because, you know, it's either Tara's playing netball or I'm doing my sport, or, you know, Dad's out doing something, so we don't really get that all-together bonding experience. So, you know, today's a pretty special day and I'm thankful for it.
I've always wanted to go camping. This is kind of my first time except for school camp, and I'm really excited.
So there you go, guys. That's what we do on Family Day. Did you guys have a good day today?
Yes, it was amazing.
And we're going to do it all again tomorrow. Camping tonight. First time for you, Tars?
Yes, I'm geared up for this.
Getting ready for it. Look, if you've got time on the holidays that are coming up, get out with the family, enjoy the dirt bikes. Brings us all together, doesn't it? We have a great time out there, even if it's only for one day. Get out and enjoy the time out there. For now, I think it's time to go and cook dinner and go and put the fire on. What do you reckon?
Yes.
That's right.
And
tomorrow we're going to grip it and rip it.
Tomorrow we're going to hold it on.
Hold it on.
Grip
it and rip it. I thought it was golf.
I know. What?